All right, guys, so we got a quick one today. We're going to be switching out the forward reverse switch on the Laguna 1216. Just taking that front panel off and exposing up the circuit board right there. And just a small Phillips head screwdriver. Back those out because that wire runs down behind it. And that little switch right there, you're just going to grab that and pop it off and trace that wire back out to the front and to your switch. It's got these little tabs there to compress, but you get a little leverage on it with the flathead, and that it should just pop right off. And you're just going to retrace your new switch. Make sure right here that it's oriented the right way for your forward and reverse. Just kind of take note of that before you pop it off and forget like I did. And then you're just going to retrace that wire back around behind the computer board and plug it back in. Not much to it at all. I just went ahead when I ordered the stuff for the video for last week and threw that on there. Did it all at the same time and just decided to do another quick video swapping that around. Just get everything screwed back in. And now we'll give it a test. Looks great. Thanks for watching, guys.